Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to walk you through a super useful skill that can totally upgrade how you present and analyze your data, how to create a combo chart in Google Sheets. Whether you're a student putting together a class project, a business professional tracking numbers, or just someone who loves making sense of information visually, learning to make a combo chart will give your data a new dimension. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to combine multiple chart types into one clear visual, making your information much easier to interpret and share. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, if you're already signed into your Gmail account, you're already halfway there. Up in the top right corner of your browser, you'll see a little grid icon made up of 9 small dots. Go ahead and click on that. It's called the Google Apps menu, and it's honestly your gateway to pretty much all Google services. Scroll around until you spot Google Sheets and give it a click. If you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll down in the list, but don't worry, it's there. Now, once you're inside Google Sheets, open the spreadsheet that you want to work on, or if you're just practicing, you can start a new blank one. Make sure your data is ready. Try to set it up with clear headers, since organized data will make your chart much easier to read and work with. For example, you might have one column with months, another with sales, and a third with profit margins. With your data selected, look up toward the top of your screen and find the menu bar. You want to click on Insert. It's usually right there among options like File, Edit, and View. This Insert menu is kind of like your toolbox for adding things to your spreadsheet. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select Chart. Google Sheets will automatically place a chart right on your sheet, usually using the chart style it thinks fits your data best. Chances are, though, that the automatic choice isn't quite what you're looking for, so let's customize it into a combo chart. Once the chart appears, make sure it's selected. On the right side of your screen, the chart editor will pop up. This is where the magic happens. Under the Setup tab, find the Chart Type dropdown, click on that, and scroll down until you spot Combo Chart. Click on Combo Chart, and instantly you'll see your chart change, blending different chart types like bars and lines into one. This is a fantastic way to say, compare your monthly sales as bars with your profit trend as a line, all in a single, easy-to-read visual. Best of all, you can really make this chart your own with customizations. Maybe you want to highlight a specific series with a bold color, adjust your axis labels so everything is clear, or even add data labels for extra clarity. Explore the Customize tab in the chart editor, play around with colors, fonts, grid lines, and legends. There's no harm in experimenting, it's a great way to learn. And that's all there is to it. Creating a combo chart in Google Sheets might seem tricky at first, but once you know where everything is, it really opens up new options for showcasing your data's story. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or there's another Google Sheets trick you want to learn, just drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.